Hello everyone, I'm Mukesh. Today I will be discussing Chapter 11 from Fundamentals of Business Program Management by Anlon. And this chapter focuses on crucial elements of measuring and monitoring processes performance, which are essential for business process management (PPN). So, yeah, so I will explain how business performance measurement and monitoring work from Chapter 11 of Fundamentals of Business Process Management. We start by defining metrics like customer satisfaction and task completion. These metrics are displayed on dashboards for real-time tracking. Then we use process mining to analysis event logs and find insufficiencies. Finally, we create dependency graph to map task relationship and plot bottlenecks. This method helps to optimize business process for better efficiency. An overview of chapter 11. Let's begin with an overview of this chapter and its significance. Chapter 11 explores the method and tools used to access and track the performance of business process. This is essential for BPN as it ensures processes are efficient, effective, and aligned with strategic goals. In the current fast-paced business environment, the ability to measure and monitor process performance is more important than ever. In business needed to quickly adopt, optimize operations, and ensure compliances with regulation. Effective process monitoring provides the data and insights necessary to achieve these objectives. And significance in the BPN guarantees that process are efficient. So, so we are going to head for the next slide. So yeah, performance measurement. First, let's discuss performance and measurement. So this involves defining specific metrics and that aligns with business objectives. These metrics can be qualified like customer satisfaction, such as the average time to complete a task, and for example, accessing customer satisfaction via surveys and process time through system logs. And then next is process performance dashboard. These dashboards are visual tools that display real-time performance metrics. They help manager and stakeholders track process, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. For example, uh, dashboard might show the current status of task in a supply chain, highlighting any delays or issues. So you can see this slide on this slide that how the dashboard will perform on this graph. So the next slide is process mining technique. Another key concept is process mining technique. Process mining technique involves extracting insights from event logs to understand how processes are executed. These insights can be revealed insufficiencies, deviations from standard processes, and areas for improvement. And for instance, a bank might use process mining to identify steps in loan processing that cause delays and redesign the process to be more efficient. So, example For the example, examining workflow logs in loan processing system to pinpoint stage where approval delays occur. So yeah, and enabling adjustment to enabling adjustments to streamline the process and reduce process. So the next slide is all about dependency graph. The chapter is also discuss dependency graphs, which illustrate the relationships between different tasks in a process. These graphs help identify dependencies and potentially bottlenecks. So, for example, in manufacturing, a dependency graph can show how the completion of one task depends on another task, optimizing the workflow. So this is the graph representation of a dependency graph. So this is how it study introduction. So we have a real world application, demonstrate PPN concept in action, analysis key changes, faced solutions implemented, and outcomes achieved. And for the significance, it shows how the practical of PPN strategy and how it works and everything. So insurance company case study. In this insurance company case study, processing mining application utilized to enhance the efficiency of claims handling procedure. Outcomes: achieving with 30% reduction in processing time, boosting customer satisfaction through expedite claims resolution. Manufacturing a industry case study. Performance dashboards, implementing for real-time monitoring and optimization of production workflows. In another instance, a manufacturing company used perform dashboards to monitor its production line real-time data, allowed them to quickly identify and address bottlenecks, resulting in a 20% increase in production efficiency and shift with reduction and resolution of operational bottlenecks. Retail industry case study. Uh, in this, dependency graphs utilize supply chain management tool and visualize the relationship between various elements of the supply chain, such as suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, and distributors. Identify dependencies and potentially bottlenecks in the supply chain network, facilitating strategies, decision making for optimization and risk management. Uh, Lastly, a retail company applied dependency graph to its supply chain management by understanding task dependencies. They optimize inventory management and reduction stockouts by 15%. Recent developments in BPM. Now let's explore some recent developments in BPM that relate to the concept content of this chapter. Advancement in process mining tools. Recently, advancement in process mining tools having significantly enhanced the capabilities. For example, integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning allows for more accurate prediction and deeper insight. insights. Companies like Celonis and Minute are leading the way in providing tools that helps organization optimize their process, and also AI and machine learning integration helps the most for these companies. Integrating AI and ML with process mining enhanced predictive analysis and allowing organization to forecast trends and making decision driven decisions. And the Celonis and Minute or the forecast offering platform that combine process mining with AI and ML to drive continuously improvement and strategic success. Trends in BPM. So real-time monitoring, harnessing the power of lot and big data technologies to track and analyze data for actionable insights. Improving manufacturing process, the importance of enhancing manufacturing process and aligned decision making, accelerating response to market shifts and operational challenges. So this is particularly important in industries like logistics and manufacturing where real-time insights can significantly improve and efficiency. Example of adoption. Amazon. Amazon Logistics Network survive as a prime example of a real-time monitoring in action. For it vast logistic network, it allows them to optimize delivery routes, manage inventory, and ensure timely deliveries, contributing to their reputation for fast and reliable service. Further advantage included minimized transportation cost, streamlined supply chain operations, and better visibility into logistic processes. Conclusion. So, recapping the all key concepts, fundamentals of business process management provides a comprehensive guide to measuring and monitoring business process performance. We have covered key points such as perform performance measurement, process perform dashboard, process mining techniques, and dependency graphs. We all and also performance management dashboard offer real-time insights into operational efficiency. Mining techniques extract variable insights from process data for optimization. Dependency graphs visualize interconnection with complex systems. We also examine case studies showing how these concepts are applied in practical and how it works and look at the recent development in the field. Understanding and implementing this concept is vital for any organization aim to improve operational efficiency and achieve strategic goals. I encourage you to explore these topics further and consider how they can apply it in your own organization. And finally, importance. Real-time monitoring is crucial for maintaining operational efficiency and aligning with strategic goals by providing timely insights for informed decision making. Thank you very much. And this is all about my points on this chapter 11.